guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a 12-minute upper body Tabata workout. For this workout, you're going to need a set of light dumbbells and a workout bench or chair nearby. I'll be using 5-pound dumbbells for this workout. We're going to do 8 different exercises where you're doing 20 seconds of work and 10 seconds of rest for 3 rounds. At the end of every round, you should be good and tired, and so we're going to do a burnout set of punches. And so when you're doing your punches, just get in a good, comfortable fighting stance. You're going to have your hands up and you're just going to jab, cross for 20 seconds. You can choose to use the weights or not, depending on how you're feeling for that last exercise. So I really hope you enjoy this one. It's really fun. If you do, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share with a friend. Let's work.
Making all the same mistakes, and we know that we're no good. Try to get my heart to break, but it breaks and I stay hurt. But I let up and forget it, trying to find the light in the darkness, telling myself that you meant it, 'cause you never fall in love with a hot mess. If you're gonna hurt me, do it like you can. Flying on pure imagination, finding places where I need to go. Let's escape. oceans roar and the mountains move. Let's escape home to a place where dreams are doors you can't walk through. Flying on pure imagination, finding places where it means heaven. Take my hand and we'll run forever, every day on a new adventure. Take my hand and we'll run forever, every day on a new adventure.
Waking up with the sun at my side, peeking in through the blinds. Didn't say you were coming over, but I'm down for the ride. I'm hopping in your four-wheel drive under sea blue skies. I'm feeling this vibe, wish I keep it going. Heading out of town and we got no doubts. Just put the top down, we can keep it open. If I could go anywhere, I would stay right here. I would stay
touch of yours, it's what I've been looking for. When you say my name, I just wanna feel you more. I tried to read your book, but it's too complicated, and I can't know how you feel. Damn, I hate it. Oh, I'm gonna try to find the light from the sun when I'm underwater. I'm gonna try to feel the heat in the cold. You're making it harder. Oh, every day that's passing by, I wanna feel your hand in mine. I'm gonna find the light, which is making me shine. The smile of yours, I'm never sad no more. When you're getting close, what are we waiting for? I tried to stop your bomb, but it detonated.